better be ready to move, bro. Get ready to jump out of the way. These motherfuckers might crash and shit. Who knows? That old guy. Yeah, we outside. The bonyets. Oh, the whole maybe GTS. Look at. Shout out to our man getting the camera shots, and shout out to Chikia. Yeah, yo. See, I'm outside by myself, you see? I got no one to hang with. All by myself. That's sad. Anyone wants to hang out, hit me up in the comments below, you heard? Is that it? It's like 10:52, so here come the CB4 truck. CB4 in the motherfucking house. Scuffo in the motherfucking house with the man dead, mate. I saw this thing coming in. The old VL, baby. Love that shit. What's this bunya thing? Old Holden, yeah. Oh yeah. What's this green thing? Tirana? Yeah. The old Holden, Daddy sing. Things over there. Yeah. All kind of shit happening. Oh, is that the Reds? Nah, it's not the Reds. I was gonna give him the finger. That's how you give the ranger the finger. Rob, the Reds, that's all they're gonna get is the finger. Oh, fucking hell, that's funny. Oh, yeah. 44 and 30 seconds, huh? That was almost crashing. Stop playing with me. It might be it. Oh no, they're still coming. Still coming. The old Gemini, baby. Here it is, the boss thing. Is any more coming? Yes, plenty more. Still coming. You heard? What's this bonnet doing? The bonnet.